Hi everyone, I'm Michelle, this is Erin, and this is Megan, and we're the program coordinators with the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, and we put on career exploration events for students like you. In the month of February, we're going to have our Spotlight on Careers looking at the business and finance industries.
Our first live event of the month is on February 24th at 10 a.m. So teachers can sign up their classes and students can sign up for an opportunity to hear from 4 young entrepreneurs who will share information about their career journeys and pathways and give advice about being an entrepreneur in Saskatchewan. This event is a partnership between us and the Saskatchewan Chamber of Commerce.
On Wednesday, February 24th in the evening at 6:30 p.m., we'll also host a live event where you can hear from industry professionals in the business and finance sector, and you can hear from a representative from Edwards School of Business.
We also have a very unique opportunity in partnership with the Edwards School of Business called a Business Case Study Competition. Teachers can sign up a class that may be a business class, an entrepreneurship class, a financial literacy class, or maybe an accounting class to take part in an event where they get to put together an actual business case presentation. There will also be prizes available, so please sign up before February 11th.
And if you want to learn more about a career in business, finance, or entrepreneurship, make sure you check out our entrepreneurship video feature, our post-secondary video series, and many more post-secondary and informational resources available on our website. And perhaps you're more of a hands-on learner? Well, then check out our Bootcamp program. In February, we'll be launching our Auto-Body Skills Bootcamp and our Game On Skills Bootcamp, where you can learn to design your own video game. Check out our website for more information.
Teachers and students will also be interested in our Employability Program, where we get students ready to apply for the next job. We are offering resume skills and interview skills sessions coming up, so you can sign up through our website and get ready for perhaps your application for the Summer Youth Internship Program. Also, we want to let you know about an opportunity for parents and teachers called Raising Financially Fit Kids. This is a live webinar that will be available at the start of March in partnership with the Credit Counseling Society.
And be sure to stay up to date by following us on our website and our socials.
We look forward to working with you.